Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of made in China with good settings. Then here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we'll search about the application of made in China. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and then we'll turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.